Foi a primeira vez de várias pessoas verem o oceano e acho isso muito giro, elas conseguirem ir para um país de longe delas e conseguirem fazer coisas que queriam mesmo fazer no seu futuro.
When I choose this project, I want it to be a seaside. I want to experience new cultures and new cuisines.
There's very many kind people and it's a very delicious Portuguese food.
Honestly, I didn't knew so many things. I knew that the people here were very kind. I thought that it will be like very similar with Spain, but it's very different. So yeah, it's nice to discover a new culture, a new country.
We have very different dinner times. Like in the Netherlands, you can eat before 6. In Portugal, you can eat after 8 or after 9 even. So I knew some things, but coming here, like really experiencing the culture, like you learn a lot more things. Because I don't think Portugal's in the media very often.
This is my first time in Portugal, so I'm very, very impressed with everything. So the scenery, the nature, the kindness of the people, the hospitality. So everything is very perfect. I couldn't blast for anything more.
I think that people are so smiley and it's a country colorful.
I like the people, like their culture, and I really like it.
I want to meet internationally new people and make friends, like Finnish people too, and it's a nice thing for my sisters have done it too.
When I came to Portugal, I was shocked that all the buildings were colorful. I like the fact that people are so open and like friendly. I also like the view of the city and the monuments that Lisbon has.
É uma maneira nova de conseguirmos ter novas amizades com pessoas de outros países, que eu acho que é bastante importante porque acabamos sempre a aprender alguma coisa.
I think it's important to be part of this program because we can experience a lot of things, and all around the world we have so many opportunities to explore countries and to meet new people.
I think that you can expand your horizons and also improve your language, and I think know and meet new people.
I think it's important because you can know very different cultures. Also, you can have international friends.
I made some new friends from like some Hungarian friend or Portuguese friends. So like I like making new friends.
Yeah, we make a lot of new friends and get to know about how it works in their countries.
It's really cool to meet new people, to learn more about new culture, and I think it's really important.
We learn about different countries in geography class, but it doesn't compare to the actual country and culture.
Adeus, até a próxima. Até a próxima.